Welcome to this video, guys. Now if I try to compile this C code using the command gcc hello.c-o hello, I get this error that says GCC is not recognized as an internal or external command. So to fix this, we just need to add GCC compiler to our environment variable. Now if you don't have GCC installed, you'll have to first install the GCC compiler. To see how you can install that, check the link in the description below. Okay, now if you're sure you have GCC installed and you're still getting this error, let's go ahead and see how we can add GCC to environment variable. First, go to the C installation directory, which is the C drive inside MinGW folder if you have installed it using MinGW, and then go inside bin. Now copy this path, open your start menu and search for environment variables and click on edit environment variables for your account. Now double click on path, scroll down to the bottom, or you can just click on new and paste the path that you've just copied. Click on OK, click OK again. And now you can close this. Now if you try to run this again, you will still get an error because we need to restart your terminal. So what you can do is close your Visual Studio Code, start it again, and this time if you run the command gcc hello.c-o hello, as you can see, you've successfully compiled your C code, and here if you see, hello.exe is also created. So this is how you can fix the GCC not found or not recognized error. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments below.